Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Tuesday, June the 12th, 2012. Well, a change of trend in this market as well today to the downside, and a candle where the sellers haven't taken control of this market. They've actually lost control. We've had the buyers take control throughout the trading day. Some sort of congestion happening here at the moment, bounded by an upper and lower boundary, and we're seeing this in all financial markets at the moment, or most financial markets that we've examined. We've seen this in the equities market, we saw it with the euro US dollar, and now we're seeing the same with the Aussie dollar. And we're having this chopping and changing of the trend in the first time frame throughout this period. And when we have this changing of trend, we're not seeing the dominant side that pushed the market to the extremes taking control, and they're actually losing control. So that's significant. So a lot of indecision in most financial markets at the moment. In terms of the upper boundary here, obviously it's the $1 level parity, and that will continue to be strong support or resistance, and in this case resistance, and we've seen the market tested there on the 2 of the previous 4 days, and that is a strong level moving forward. Below there we do have strong support at 98.59 and just below, and that is an important level as well. Just below there we also have the Tenkan-sen offering support at 97.94, then down to the 96.62 level and beyond. Above the $1 level, we have a zone that extends above there for resistance, extending up to about 100.43. Now in terms of the Fibonacci extensions, and what we're looking at is the uptrend that's just terminated. We had a 1-day uptrend to the upside, and we're comparing that to the previous time the market was trending up and looking at the relationships in terms of Fibonacci ratios, and here we see the market was strongly rejected from above the 38.2% level at 99.81. The market rallied to there, failed to close above there, and sold off significantly, and we had that change of trend to the downside today, but a change of trend that hasn't been supported by the sellers. And looking at the relationship of the current downtrend that the market has just begun to the previous downtrend, the market has tested just down to the 78.6% level, which is a minor level. We've closed just below there. There is a possibility we could see the market test down to the 100% level at 98.26 and rally from there, but it's more likely that the market will continue rallying from where we are. If we're looking at this candle that's just forming at the moment, technically we have had a change of trend at the moment with a higher high and a higher low, with the buyers being so solid behind this market at the moment. It seems as though that trend will continue up, and we will potentially have a change of trend back to the upside. In terms of Ichimoku, we have a bearish market in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, and if we see here, we've been trading below the cloud for some time, so there's quite some bearishness, but we're seeing some strength now from the buyers in the lower time frames. Here we have the market now trading above the Kijun-sen, and if we look back here, it's been some time since we've been trading above the Kijun-sen, and that's significant. That is a buy signal in Ichimoku charts terms, but it's only a weak buy signal because it occurred below the cloud, so a fairly weak signal. The other factor that makes it quite a weak signal is the fact that we're trading so close to the $1 resistance that even though the buyers look to be fairly strong at the moment, that is a very, very important level. And even if the market does extend beyond the $1 level, the zone of influence of that level extends a fair way, and in this case at least up to 100.43, so you could even see the market testing to those levels. The market is also bullish in the fast-term time frame by trading above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, and we have been for some time. If we do see the market retrace from the $1 level. Obviously support at 98.59 is important, and then the Tenkan Sen around 97.94 as mentioned, and down to 96.62. So a market where we've got a lot of indecisiveness. We are seeing some strength from the buyers with this breakout above the Kijun Sen in the medium term time frame. It could be significant, but the areas of support and resistance that bound this market at the moment are very strong, and either side will need to build solid momentum for a strongly bullish breakout above or a fairly strongly bearish breakout down below if we are going to see resolution of this congestion that we're seeing at the moment.